So I'm going to be revisiting some of the model kits that I had built in the past that need to be pulled out of storage, and sometimes pieces fall off of it. Usually it's the mirrors, or sometimes things that I wanted to change and I never got a chance to do because I built these early on before I had as much modeling experience. So some of the things I would have done differently now, or I just wanted to improve upon. So what we have here is, I had thought it was an MPC, but it seemed like after reviewing on the internet, it's an AMT 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. It's a street machine road racer. So I usually don't paint my models white, but I want to contrast against these large beefy tires, the black interior, and some of the trim. So this model kit actually came with really thick, beefy, slick-like tires. So I built it, so I spray painted it white. I think it was molded orange. And as you can see, I black washed the grille, which I didn't do originally. I black washed the rear trim. And I also installed these from my parts bin, these off-road lights, to make it look like a true road racer, 24-hour endurance type of track car. But anyway, here it is. This was a 73, so I think it was right before they downsized it in 74, which was the Mustang they used in, if you guys remember, Charlie's Angels. And actually the Fastback is the best looking for this year, because the ones that were not Fastback, the rear window would just drop straight down into the trunk, and it didn't actually look that great. But this Fastback is the best style for that year. And this model, the rear actually sits a lot lower, and I didn't quite like that. So originally I had jacked this one up probably this high, and it didn't quite look right. So now I kind of made it even. But I think this year the rear did sit a little lower. But anyway, I think the white contrasts with the black interior and the thick black wheels pretty well. But pretty much I just had to repair it slightly, like the rear view mirrors came off, and then I just black washed it and painted the inserts in the hood black. But overall, it was just like minor fix-ups. I highlighted the battery top yellow, the battery filler caps red. This kit came with like a ice box, air intake, dual oil filters, but not much was damaged during storage. But I just want to revisit it, do a few things differently, improve upon it, and so here it is. Just want to share that with you. So as usual, I'll be adding stills at the end of this video for you guys to look at. So hope you guys enjoy this revisited model 1973 AMT Mustang Mach 1 Fastback Street Machine Road Racer.